Hello and welcome back to my channel Code with Abhi. Today we are going to learn how to implement a custom package inside the Flutterflow. So one of my client had a requirement to have a speedometer kind of thing inside the Flutterflow app. So I will guide you how to implement a custom package like a speedometer inside the Flutterflow app itself. Okay, so first of all, I was searching for many plugins for the speedometer kind of thing. Then I landed on Syncfusion gauge plugin. It has many different types of gauges like linear, rounded, and all. And I wanted to implement something like this. Okay, so what we will do is we will copy this name and open our Flutterflow app. Inside this widget, I am going to give it as radial 2. Okay, and it will generate me an auto generated code. Copy to the clipboard, and here we will add up dependencies. Again we will check the code. Again still it's not here. I need to supply like this value. I will be passing that pointer number. And it will be in double, it cannot be nullable. Again going to copy to the edit. Okay, pointer number here, this is. Now coming to the code, I am just going to copy this from center till the end. Okay, and put it in here. Again need to refresh this one, save widget. Still it's not getting compiled. So here the pointer number, we are going to needle pointer. Here we will change to widget dot pointer number, and here also we will change widget dot. For string to display this thing, we will keep in the curly braces. Now coming to our home page. Okay, I will just remove this one for now. Add radial gauge. Okay, here we will need to mention the width. I am going to give the width as 100% and height as 500. Okay, and the pointer number I am going to use is 50. So try compiling and previewing it again. Okay, I need to compile it again, radial 2. Should be coming automatically. I'm not sure why it's not coming right now automatically. So again going to the home page. Now let me check the code here. What we did there, it's here now. Syncfusion Flutter, and on the home page it should be radial too. Okay, now since the app is already running, I am just going to refresh the entire thing. See, here it is. Now let's say 55. It should point to 55. Okay, now I want to enable some animations, change the background color and animation duration. So it's all in the plugin settings. I'm just going to copy from the earlier one. This is all there in the documentation, so you can just follow it. Now reloading it again. See, now the animation is working. Okay, again coming to the needle colors and all those stuffs, we can just change everything in here in the needle thing. Also there is one more marker pointer. So needle pointer, I am going to change to marker pointer and needle pointer and save it. Again refreshing it. Now here one marker pointer would be there. This color will be changing. Okay, widget pointer number. See the marker, the color, this and this. You can see more settings on their website. It's here, syncfusion.com. This one, Syncfusion Flutter. Here is the example. Okay, radial gauge overview. There are many different kinds of things, so you can use and implement that one. So that's all for today's video. Thank you once again. Abhishek from Code with Abhi. And I request you guys to please subscribe to my channel so I can keep making the videos like this for you guys. Thank you.